Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Triple07. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thanks for watching this video. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a website for free on your mobile devices. Yes, you'll be creating this straight from your mobile devices. So first things first, what you need to do is to launch Google Chrome, and we'll be using Wix.com in order to create our website, and I'll give you a demonstration of how this is done. So first things first, you need to go to the website wix.com. As you can see, it's this one right here. Okay, so when you get to the website, the website will load like this. So what you need to do next is to click on get started, because we'll be creating a fresh website. Now there are a few options which you could use. If you have a Wix account already, you could simply log in. However, if you don't, you need to click on sign up. And now from the sign up, you could continue with Facebook or Google, or you could simply use an email address. Now I'm going to continue with Google. Okay, so you've chosen your Google account and you should click on next. So we are on this page. So what to do next? So as you can see, we could get a stunning website created just for us. So let's click on get started. And here is where you'd specify what your website is all about. So as you can see, we have a few options here. What I could do is, let's say I'm doing a travel agency. So let's click on the arrow that says next. And does your website need any of the following features to sell online? Let's click on yes, and we'd be creating a blog, take bookings and appointments. So let's click on the arrow that says next. So what would be the name of the business? You could skip these and then change these in your profile settings later. However, it's best to just go with it from now. So what would be the name of our business? So let's say all airlines. Let's just leave it at that, and let's click on the arrow. Now we would need to add the location. So wherever, if you have a physical location where your business is located, you could put the location here. However, if you don't, you could simply skip. If you are running a strict online business, you could skip this. However, if you have a physical location, you could add the location here. So let's add a location. Okay, so we have a location. So let's click on the arrow for next. And is your business already online? Well, we're just setting it up, so let's click on skip. And well, if your business had a Instagram page or Facebook page, you could click on yes, your business is already online. However, I don't have those for this website, so I will skip it for now. So as you can see, we have all of this information here, what to do next. Now this is basically the basic information which you just filled out. Now you could add your phone number or paste the social links. As I've said, you could place the Instagram or Facebook account. However, we won't be doing that. And you could also add the logo by clicking the plus right there. So let's click on next. Now they're asking us to pick a theme for our website. Now these themes are all free, so we could simply select anyone which we choose. Now we're doing an airline business, so we need something unique looking. We could work with minimal, and let's click on build site, and we'll give it some time to generate a panel for us with all the layouts and so on. Okay, so after it have finished generating the website preview, as you can see, we have it here. We have a beautiful look. You can change all of these images and all of these texts and so on. So as you can see, we have pages here. Now this is where you'd control the pages on your website. You could also remove, edit the title and all of that of the pages. So as you can see, we could add more pages to this. So if we wanted to add a page, or if we wanted to add a section to the home page, we could simply do that. So as you can see, we could add frequently asked questions and so on. So let's click on done. Now, as I've said, you could delete each of these pages. So if you wanted to delete any of these pages, you could simply tap the three dots and click on delete, and then click on done. And you could also do a few things. You could change the theme, because your website isn't published as yet, so you could make changes, and you have more options here in settings. Now you could upgrade to a more professional version, which would give you more control. However, if you're simply running an online business and you need a free website, you could use the free version of Wix to create a website. You could add your logo, and you could simply have a base layout of a website which would normally bring people to your business more. So you could create a landing page to which you would just simply have one product, and you would allow persons to purchase things from that page. So as you can see, this is quite simple to do from your mobile devices to start up your website. So you could be running an online business and you just need the website to look more professional. Well, this is the website for you, Wix.com. It allows you to create a free professional looking website with just a few clicks. And in another video, I will be creating or showing you a way in which you could get a free domain host, which will basically give you a cleaner URL for your website, all for free. So this is it for this video, how you go about creating a Wix website for free, or a website for free in 2021. This will work. I think this will work forever if Wix continues to do this. And you could also preview the website and edit the site and so on. There is so much things you can do on the Wix website, so feel free to check it out. This is quite a popular website to create websites. It is not new, so if you should preview it, this is what it would look like. And remember, I haven't changed any of the images or the texts or anything, so this is basically the default layout of the website, or what it would look like. And you could also change your phone to desktop preview to see what it will look like in that mode. So if I should change to desktop preview, so as you can see, this is how it will look on the desktop. However, we haven't customized this website in any way. So yeah, that is it, guys. If you want, I could do a deeper look into this website creation on Wix and show you how to fully customize your website so it could look attractive. Because I don't know if any of you know, but I'm a graphic designer and I work on things like this. So yeah, that is it for this video. And as you can see here, we could connect our domain, and as I've said, I'm going to show you guys how to get a free domain in the next video. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this little tutorial was helpful. Hacker 007 out.